Hi, welcome back students. In this lecture, we will discuss conjunctions with simple examples. Conjunctions are words used to connect words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. They help to create relationships between different parts of a sentence. There are three main types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. These join words, phrases, or independent clauses of equal importance. The most common coordinating conjunctions are fanbos, which stands for and, more, but, or, yet, and so. For example, she likes to read novels and watch movies. I wanted to go to the park, but it started raining. Subordinating conjunctions. These connect an independent clause of complete thought with a dependent clause and incomplete thought. They show the relationship between the two clauses, such as cause and effect time condition. For examples, because it was raining, we stayed indoors. I'll call you if need help. Correlative conjunctions. These work in pairs to connect words, phrases, or clauses. Common correlative conjunctions include both, and, either, or, neither, nor, not only, but also, and whether, or. For examples, both the cat and the dog are in the garden. You can choose either the red shirt or the blue one. Conjunctions play a crucial role in making sentences clear and coherent by indicating how different parts of a sentence are related to each other. Thanks for watching and stay with us for coming videos.